What if everything you believe about reality is only a fraction of the truth? What if your perception is shaping the world around you in ways you never imagined? That the world around you is nothing more than a projection of your own mind, a construct shaped by your beliefs, thoughts, and emotions? And what if I told you that you have the power to bend this reality, to communicate with the universe itself and manifest everything you desire, health, wealth, love, success, simply by knowing how to speak its language? Sounds unbelievable? Well, stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how it works, but you'll also know exactly how to do it. This is not magic. It's not a trick. It's science. The science of the subconscious mind, quantum mechanics, and the age-old wisdom that mystics and enlightened beings have known for centuries. Let's begin. Everything in the universe is energy. According to quantum physics, all matter is composed of vibrating energy fields, and even the most solid objects are fundamentally made up of subatomic particles in constant motion. The renowned physicist Max Planck, the father of quantum theory, stated that all matter originates and exists only by virtue of a force suggesting that energy, not physical matter, is the foundation of reality. You, me, the screen you're watching, even your thoughts and emotions. Science has proven that atoms, the building blocks of everything, are 99.999% empty space. And within that space, energy, vibrations, frequencies. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Your mind is like a radio transmitter, constantly broadcasting signals into the universe. Every thought you think, every emotion you feel, carries a frequency, and the universe simply responds. Think of it like this. If you tune your radio to a specific frequency, you pick up a station playing that exact type of music. If you tune into love, abundance, and joy, the universe delivers experiences that match those frequencies. But if you're constantly thinking about lack, fear, and failure, guess what you'll attract? The ancient sages and modern scientists both confirm that reality is influenced by the observer. This means your consciousness is actively shaping the world around you. In quantum physics, this is known as the observer effect. Particles behave differently when observed. Now, imagine the implications. If your thoughts and emotions have the power to alter energy at the smallest level, what does that mean for your everyday life? Now that you understand how the universe works, the question is, how do you communicate with it? There are three fundamental principles. Clarity of intention. The universe responds to specificity. If you say, "I want to be rich," that's vague. But if you declare, "I am earning $10,000 a month doing what I love," you send a powerful, focused signal. Emotion is the fuel. The universe doesn't respond to words alone. It responds to feelings. If you want to manifest something, you must feel as if you already have it. Excitement, gratitude, joy. The stronger the emotion, the faster the manifestation. Detachment and trust. This is where most people fail. When you ask the universe for something, you must trust that it's coming. If you obsess over it, worry about it, or doubt it, you block the flow. Let go and allow it to unfold naturally. A crucial part of this process is reprogramming your subconscious mind. From childhood, your subconscious absorbs beliefs from your environment, parents, society, past experiences shaping how you see the world. These deeply ingrained patterns operate automatically, often keeping you stuck in limiting beliefs. To change your life, you must rewrite these hidden mental scripts by consciously choosing new thoughts, emotions, and habits that align with the reality you want to create. Neuroscience shows that 95% of our thoughts and behaviors are driven by subconscious conditioning. To change your life, you must rewrite these hidden mental scripts. Now, let's get practical. The techniques you're about to learn are not just random exercises, they are rooted in both ancient wisdom and modern science, helping you shift your subconscious programming and align your energy with the universe. Here are some of the most powerful techniques to communicate with the universe. 1. Scripting. Write a letter to the universe as if you're thanking it for already giving you what you desire. Feel the gratitude as you write. This aligns your subconscious with the reality you want to create. 2. Visualization. Close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself living your desired reality. See it, feel it, engage all your senses. Neuroscience shows that the brain doesn't distinguish between a vividly imagined experience and a real one. 3. Affirmations. Speak your desires into existence. I am abundant. I attract opportunities effortlessly. Repetition reprograms your subconscious mind by reinforcing neural pathways associated with these beliefs. Neuroscience refers to this as neuroplasticity, brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new connections. The more you repeat empowering statements, the stronger these neural pathways become, making your new beliefs an automatic part of your thought patterns. 4. The whispering technique. If you want someone to respond a certain way, close your eyes, picture them, and whisper your message to their subconscious. This technique has worked wonders for many people. 5. Gratitude rampage. Gratitude is the most powerful frequency. Studies in neuroscience suggest that practicing gratitude activates the brain's reward system, releasing dopamine and serotonin, which enhance overall well-being. Additionally, energy theories propose that gratitude operates at a high vibrational frequency, aligning your thoughts with abundance and attracting more positive experiences into your life. The more you appreciate what you have, the more the universe gives you to appreciate. 6. Theta state programming. Your subconscious is most receptive just before sleep. Use this time to listen to positive affirmations or mentally rehearse your goals. The ultimate key to manifesting is this: you don't attract what you want. You attract what you are. If you desire wealth but deep down you feel poor, you will keep experiencing lack. If you desire love but you feel unworthy, love will elude you. So the real work is not in getting something, but in becoming the version of yourself who already has it. Ask yourself, if I already had my dream life, how would I think? How would I feel? How would I act? Then, start being that person now. This means embodying the energy of your desires every single day. Surround yourself with people who uplift you. Immerse yourself in positive environments, and train your mind to focus on possibilities rather than limitations. Now that you know the truth, what will you do with it? Will you dismiss this as mere theory? Or will you take action and test it for yourself? Try this tonight. Before you sleep, clearly state a desire, visualize it, feel it as real, and then let go. Then, over the next few days, watch for signs, synchronicities, and unexpected opportunities. And when it happens, because it will happen, come back and share your experience in the comments, because the universe is always listening. What message are you sending? Take a moment to reflect. Are you consciously shaping your reality? Or are you allowing old beliefs to dictate your future? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below, and let's explore this journey together.